Good morning, everyone. Daksh Patel, 2 minutes late again. What you children want? We wait 5-10 minutes, then we only start the class every day.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Trisha, turn on your camera, please. Turn on your camera, please. Good morning.
Good
Rahil,
morning, ma'am.
Vedi, 2 minutes late. What you children are waiting for the good
Good
morning. You
morning.
waiting for your watch? Isn't the watch giving the different timings in your watch and my watch?
No, ma'am.
Why you children every day, in spite of giving so many reminders, then also you coming late? Still, there are 6 students who are not in right now in the class, and they will join meantime. I know them. Rahil, turn on your camera, please. Karna Patel, 3 minutes late in my class. Karna, now this is your habit, bacha, of coming the class in the late every day. Ma'am, where is Karna?
Ma'am, he's coming.
Ma'am, this is becoming a habit every day. Yeah, last class he was 10 minutes late. So, ma'am,
Sorry, ma'am. I'll see you at
yes,
that.
ma'am, please take a note of it. Rudra Chacharia, you have joined now.
Ma'am, ma'am, and why it is a down meeting?
Which meeting? Yeah, the this has changed
But why?
today. To, this is not from our side. This is from the Google Meet classroom only.
Ma'am, can
Somebody,
you send the link again?
I
Because
have not sent till now.
okay.
Okay, so students, as you all know, that today is your CT of the chapter number 9. Chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. Okay, so I'm going to give you the link in the classroom, as well as I am giving you the link in the chat box. So
Ma'am, see in the chat box.
I have already ready. Student, refresh your classroom. Go to the classroom. Link is already pasted. Good morning, Daksh Patel. Please, and I'm giving you the link in the chat box also. Please go to that link and start doing. 2 more students have joined right now. Rudra Master, 5 minutes late in my class.
Ma'am, I was not able to join. I have to ask Rudra to send me the code of this class.
My dear, today the some meeting is changed from the Google Meet side only. So the joining word is coming towards your left side.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, when I open the
Ma'am,
CT, it
yes.
showed give a response.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is
Yes,
showing.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, me
Yes,
too.
ma'am. It's showing like that.
Yes, ma'am, can I present it
Yes,
so?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You already
Okay,
submitted.
okay.
Send the link again.
Let me do the changes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is showing that the form chapter 9 boxes and sketches PT is no longer
Your previous
accepting responses. It's
my
showing like
also,
that.
ma'am. This is
Okay.
my also.
Can you please stop,
Same.
students? I'm doing the changes. You need to wait. I'm giving you the new link in the chat box. Just please click that link in the chat box. That are you all able
Ma'am,
to open that link?
ma'am, can you send it in the, even in the classroom because I want to do it on my computer.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Still it is showing the same. It's still showing the
No,
same.
ma'am, it's showing the
Yes,
same.
ma'am. See your
Same only?
previous response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me just let me
Ma'am,
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
I present the screen.
just present the screen.
Ma'am, can I present?
Yes. No, no, Twisha will present. Twisha present, please. Samriddhi. Yes, Twisha. Lakshay is presenting.
Ma'am, this is coming.
Okay. Wait for a minute.
Ma'am, this is coming. So what we have to do now?
I am. Can you please wait?
Okay.
Students, wait for a minute. Students, now refresh your form and just check.
Okay.
The previous link only, which is in the classroom.
Ma'am, where?
The link which is in the classroom, no? Previous link?
Yeah, ma'am, it's showing the same.
No,
Yes,
previous link,
ma'am.
जो
Look.
classroom में है.
Wait, I am
Look, ma'am. Ma'am, I was
Which is in,
sharing and showing it. I clicked
thinking.
here, so it is showing the same only.
Ma'am, see.
just a minute. Now go to this form. There is.
Wait, ma'am. Let me stop sharing and entire
I've
screen.
also tried and telling the
See,
owner
ma'am.
is not accepting the
Arey, ma'am.
the owner is not accepting responses. It's saying that. It's showing that you're allowing to accepting any responses by contracting the owner.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
my mom is saying that when you go in the Google form, there will come responses. You have to scroll it, so it will red color button. You have to scroll it.
I have already
It's
on that.
locked.
No, I have on that
Ma'am?
lock also.
Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
I think in the CT you have accidentally when you are taking the test of section 5A, you block the
Link,
lock the
huh?
responses. So
That
that's
is the
why we are
reason
not.
I'm owning it also. All the I have on all the blocks, whatever they are asking. Then also it is not coming. Give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, I showing means this.
Norman, what we have to do?
Ma'am,
I'm doing. Meantime, stop your presentation, students. Stop your presentations.
ma'am, just now it's showing something different.
And leave it. Leave it. I am working on it. Leave it. Meantime, we will revise it. Okay? Can I present my screen and show you something? Stop your presentations.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. To calculate that boxes. How many cubes are there?
No, leave it. Can you all see my screen now? Presentation screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we play this quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the CT is done tomorrow.
No, I will take right now. It will be very quick. You will finish it.
Ma'am, in mobile I can do it. Ma'am, in mobile I can do it.
Okay, children, now check whether you are able to do it. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Now we can do it.
now we can
Yes, ma'am. Now we can do it.
Yes, ma'am. I thought it is.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can do it.
not able to do it.
Please do this.
I am not able to do it.
Do the previous one. Go to the classroom, Twisha.
Chat box. Yes,
What?
ma'am. Now I am
Link?
able to do.
Okay. Please, now everyone, is there any child who is facing the problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can I present the screen and show you all?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we will get the answers if you submit the form.
Yes, yes. No, you will get the answers once you submit it. And please do mark as done also.
Ma'am, what we have to do now?
You are not able to open the link?
Ma'am, which link which you have sent in the chat box?
Lakshya has given right now in the chat box. Go to that link.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ekancha gave.
Okay. Are you able to open this?
Yes, ma'am.
I am doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
So please start doing. I'm going to present my screen and just check whether you have the same number questions or not. We will check the answers. Can you all able to see this on my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Which 3D shape has 6 rectangular faces? What is the name given to a solid object that has curved face and a 2 circular ends? Most dice are the shape of which 3D shape? Dice it is there, right? Please take a note. Fourth is a cupboard usually has the shape of which 3D shape? How many edges does a cube have? How many vertices does a cylinder have? How many vertices does a cube have? Choose the correct option to complete the net of a dice. How many cubes are there in the total in the given Rubik cube? Which of the following shape is the 3D shape out of the given shapes? Which of the following shape is not a 3D shape? Which of the following shapes has curved surfaces? Which of the following shape does not have any curved faces? Identify the 3D shape of the given net. Identify the 3D shape of the given net. How many faces does this rectangular prism have? How many vertices does a rectangular prism pyramid have? Which of the following nets does not make a open box? Which of the following net does not make a cube? Which of the following pictures represent the side view of the given shape? I hope everyone is able to do their CT in the Google form. You are not supposed to leave the class. Please be there till the last.
Ma'am, what is the 10th one and the third one? Quadrilateral means?
All the four-sided figures are the quadrilaterals.
Okay.
The four-sided figure means the rectangular, square, packet. These are the quadrilaterals.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, although it might take the answer. That's why we will discuss it tomorrow then. If it may give the answer then.
Which question you are having a problem?
Ma'am, in the ninth question.
Ninth question. Okay, wait a minute. Let me read. Please mute yourself for a while.
Yes, ma'am.
How many cubes are there in the total in the given rubric? It is a 3 by 3 cubes, right?
Yes,
Can you?
ma'am, it is a 3 by 3 cube, and I'm a cuber, and I know that there's one cube is like this corner part. It's one cube. This edge part is one cube. So, according, if we take it like that, it should exactly be.
You need to count all the cubes. How many cubes are there inside? When you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
3 by 3 cube, count the total number of cubes. If you have 3 by 3 cube with you, please take and practically do.
Ma'am, I have like four.
4 by 4. See, Jahan
No,
Agarwal is showing
I
3
have
by 3 cube. Jahan
no, ma'am.
Agarwal,
I have
count the
four.
total number of cubes in that and write the answers.
Ma'am, I have four 3 by 3 cubes.
Ma'am, I also.
I
Yes,
know
you
that.
have no. So go and bring it and practically count it.
No, ma'am, I knew the answer. I did some
Know the answer,
multiplication
then
and
we will discuss. We will discuss in the next
later.
class then.
Yes. I have another reason.
Ma'am, I think the ninth answer is wrong.
All the answers are correct, bacha. Whatever is your answer, you please click and we will check it.
Okay, ma'am.
What's the difference between a prism and a pyramid?
I have given you, I've shown you the video also. What is
Ma'am, can
pyramid
you
and what is the
please?
prism?
Ma'am, I am confusing. Can you switch off your mic and show it better? Ma'am, I was not there on Monday, so I don't know about this.
But I cannot tell you right now. You ask in the next class. You know right now, please write.
Ma'am, can I submit? Ma'am, your mic.
Yes, please submit. And if now don't leave the class, start writing tables in your notebooks.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the ninth question, how many cubes are there in total in the given Rubik's cube? Ma'am, in that the answer is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I am saying that.
It's showing that the answer should be 27.
My dear, the answer is correct. But you need to think and then write. You have we will discuss it. You have 3 by 3 cube, no?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
We
ma'am.
will discuss it.
Ma'am, we can do without cube also. I have done without cube because that's the man's way.
Yes.
You have to multiply it. But
Yes. Leave it right now. Let the everyone complete it.
Ma'am, how many tables we have to write?
From 12 to 15. Take out your revision notebook and write the tables from 12 to 15. I have again noted the children are leaving the class until I will not end the class. You are not supposed to leave the class. I'm not going to accept your Google Form students if I see the child is leaving. When we have started, there were 29, now they are 25.
Ma'am, I don't think the cube one is right. I think Rudra told the answer, so
We will
that
check. We will check it. Okay. Right now,
yes.
please do complete it. I will check it manually if there is something wrong.
ma'am, can we discuss that in the end?
And in the end, I don't think we will able to discuss because there are still many
Am
students who
I
need to submit.
am I understood the cube one? But
Yes.
it's not fair.
But
You
leave
didn't
it
even
right now.
show
No?
it.
We will discuss it in the next class. We are not leaving it right now.
Ma'am, I didn't understood. Like even if I did counting every cube, it will not be 27.
Ayush, I said no. We are going to discuss it in the class.
Okay. I'll bring a 3 by 3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you send the link again because I left?
It is there in the classroom.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, I can see 10 to 12 students submitted their form. Kevna, Arna Agarwal, Nishika, Ekansh, Rudra Master, Rudra Jajaria, Twisha, Mikdad, Ayush Singhania, Anushka Choraria, Freya, Yash, Samriddhi, and Lakshya. Dhyan Shille. Dhyan is there in the class? Yes, Dhyan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
with Dhyan.
Dhyan Shilya.
Okay, ma'am.
Dhyan, you have Dhyan Shille, you have done by your own. Children, I will mark the attendance of these students who are there till the last. Those who have completed, are they writing tables in the revision notebook?
Ma'am, I am on 14th.
12 to 15 write tables in your revision notebook. Arna, are you writing tables in your revision notebook? And please, those who have given the wrong answers, please check your Google form again. Check which answer you have done wrong and do it in your revision notebook.
I'm from 12 to
15. And write the wrong questions which are wrong, no, yours. Please write the answers in the revision notebook again. Samriddhi,
yes, ma'am.
mute your mic. I muted. So students, those who have submitted, they can leave the class, and those who have not submitted, please stay in the class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Silently leave the class. Daksh Patel, please submit your fast. Rahil, please submit. Jahan Agarwal, Dhyan Dalal, submit fast. Dhairya.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, tables.
very good.
12, 13 and 14. Only just 15 is left.
Learn them thoroughly also. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, I had